We are at O'Brien and Levine. That means that we are on the record, and this is Radio Entrepreneurs, and we're featuring all the best litigators of Boston. And that means, too, that I'm Jeffrey Davis, and I cannot do a show on litigation without my good buddy Mark Z from Mark Z Legal Staffing.
Well, I would hope you would invite me because this is, as you know, this is my Super Bowl and playoffs combined, Jeff. And the next guest continues that pattern of having stars in their field. We have Mike Duffy. Mike is a partner at Ruberto, Israel, and Weiner.
Well, one of my favorite firms, and you almost called it the wrong firm.
AKA RIW.
Yeah.
There we go. The speed of yes.
Just got an email this morning from Lou.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Lou's a busy guy.
Oh, Lou is constantly in motion.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
We love Lou, Howie, Russ, the whole team. Great
Absolutely.
team.
It's a
All good
great
guys.
team. You've got some great partners and great
So
associates.
tell us
and
about your practice.
So we have a broad practice at RIW where I fit into our general business law firm is as a dispute resolver, for lack of better words. I come in when things are not getting resolved at a boardroom table and they may require what I sometimes affectionately refer to as litigation therapy. And a lot of our clients are in kind of the small business, family-owned business space, so that's an area where I have a lot of specialization in handling and helping families resolve those types of disputes.
Tell us some examples how you help resolve, because I like the idea of family therapy, which is so distinctive in that type of space for family businesses.
Well, I mean, when it comes to a family business, a lot of times it's really a multidisciplinary approach. So we come in with lawyers to help navigate the legal problems. Sometimes it requires business consultants. Sometimes it requires people who have other professional degrees, whether that's going to be in psychology or therapy or other approaches. So our view on it is to put together the right team to get the family back on track, get the business back on track, because that's really what everyone's in it for.
You mean just a team within the law firm, but a totally multidisciplinary team?
I mean, we have a team in the law firm that deals with
Right.
the legal issues, but I also mean we try to bring in other people that will help out with the parts of the project that really don't call for legal advice. They call for something a little bit differently. So we've had lots of different types of family disputes come through, and they can be in all kinds of different businesses. One area where I also focus energy is in real estate litigation, dispute resolution, and land use. So we've had a number of businesses come through where it would be a family-owned business, might be a partnership even. Rare thing is a general partnership nowadays. A couple brothers from Ireland, first-generation United States citizens, built up over a course of many, many years of something like a real estate empire, really rental properties. One of the brothers, a little older than the other, wants to sell out. The younger one wants to stay in and keep running the business, and that was the impetus of this fracture, which led to many years of litigation. So it called for us.
Sad.
Yeah, it is sad. It was a little bit sad to see that happen, but we kind of have to accept the facts as they are, and try to resolve the situation before we approach it. So we were able to do that with a lot of legal advice on a litigation side, on a business side, on a real estate side. But we also had to bring in financial professionals to examine the situation, to understand how these two parties were going to be able to split up their business and move forward and preserve value, for the exiting brother and the one that wanted to stay in the business. And this time we didn't really have to get therapists involved or that type of personal family counseling involved. We were able to get through the dispute without that, but
Excellent.
I'll tell you, that can be invaluable. Sometimes you can't get to the business issue because the family issue is standing in the way.